Think of the calmest leader you know, the one who barely gets stressed out under pressure. How do they keep their cool? Well, they have mastered focus and emotional resilience. Here's an emotional resilience question that you can try right now if you're facing any noise. Imagine that situation right now, where you're getting an emotional trigger creating noise within you. Now go find out a mirror and look at the mirror eye to eye and ask yourself, will this matter in a few hours, days, weeks, or months? This question helps you get over the noise and get back to what truly matters, the aspirational intent in the moment. Learn more in unNOise.